Good afternoon, traders. This is Kevin Craney with RJO Futures with your afternoon financial market update. Market's trading a bit mixed here on the day. The equity's actually ending the day higher as we start the FOMC meeting today and we await the announcement tomorrow afternoon. Bonds actually, prices falling on bond futures and note futures as well, so that's sending the yield up about 5 to 6 basis points respectively on both bonds and notes here on the day. And you know, general consensus is that there's a lot of hope for QE3. I think that hope is going to get diminished certainly tomorrow. I don't think we're going to get it, but time will tell here up until tomorrow. The important thing is going to be what the Fed does with their economic forecasts. We will get that tomorrow afternoon, as well as a press conference from Ben Bernanke laying out additional details. If QE3 is announced, laying out those details. If not, what it's going to take to get additional quantitative easing, if any at all, for the remainder of the year. When we look further at interest rates, we did get a ruling from the German High Court today that they could push forward with the ESM, along with some modifications that may need to be done, so certainly the market cheering that. And that certainly shows up in some of the European peripheral bond markets as well. If we look at Italian bond yields back down to 500 basis points, and we look at Spanish bond yields back down around 550 basis points, well off of their highs. It doesn't mean problems are solved, but certainly does mean that things have been helped out here in the intermediate term moving forward, and take some of that concern away from Europe. But there's still a lot of structural reform to come over there, and those are things to certainly watch, as that will keep interest rates on their heels, particularly after we move through this FOMC meeting tomorrow afternoon. Please give me a call at 888-596-5817 and we can discuss interest rate opportunities as well as any other commodity opportunities. As always, remember, futures trading is not suitable for everyone and does carry a high degree of risk.